If you love pumpkin pie but are looking for something lower in carbs and easier to make, you need to try these Keto Pumpkin Pie Cupcakes. First, we take 3/4 cup of pumpkin puree and add 1/3 cup of sweetener. I like to use a brown sugar replacement. Now we'll add 1 large egg, 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk it all together until nice and smooth. Now we'll add 3 tablespoons of coconut flour, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a little bit of salt. And again, whisk together until well combined and smooth. Line 6 muffin cups with parchment paper or silicone liners. Pro tip here, silicone actually works better for these cupcakes. Smooth the tops with a spoon so you don't get any weird peaky bits. And bake at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes until puffed and just barely set. The centers will sink a little as they cool, which is all the better for holding a nice big dollop of sweetened whipped cream. And there you go, my friends. Now you have some sweet little keto cupcakes that taste just like the center of your favorite holiday pie. Enjoy!